So I'm talking this with full confidence that the family is aware that I'm talking to you. So he came with some chest pain. When you come in hospital with chest pain, our first concern is whether it's anything to do with the heart. And our job is to make sure that you don't have, as you may well be aware of, any adult possibility of a heart attack. And that's why we have taken him in. He is undergoing through various investigations, blood tests, ECGs, all the things we do to find out if there's any danger. Right now he's stable, the pain is less, blood pressure is okay, and we are still carrying on the investigations.
From your preliminary assessment, are you in a position to tell us what you suspect might have caused this?
Oh well, no, every adult over the age of 45, 50 can get heart trouble, especially if you have high blood pressure or diabetes or family history, you can get those problems. So if you are over 50, you have issues of blood pressure, you have issues of diabetes, bit of excess weight sometimes, you can get some heart attack. That's why we tell people all the time to lifestyle changes. He doesn't smoke, which is lucky, but which is also a risk factor.
Is he in a stable condition, and how are you treating?
I can say he's quite stable. There are the routines that we do. Every doctor knows the type of things we do when somebody is suspected of some heart trouble. There are some standards of blood tests, ECGs, echoes that we do, and some standard medications of aspirin and cholesterol medicine that we give as we observe.
And, Daktari, from where you sit, will he spend the night here? Is he likely to spend the night or more days in this facility?
If you come with chest pain in any hospital in this country or in the world, you will be held captive for at least 24, 72 hours to rule out serious issues. I'm sure you guys read a lot. Stress can cause heart problems, we know that, and the DP is definitely a lot of stress. I'm sure you've heard about something called Takotsubo syndrome, the broken heart syndrome, all those things that can cause severe heart problem. So all those are possibilities. So I would say if you come in that type of situation, you need to be observed for about 48 to 72 hours. Yeah.
Daktari, recovery may vary from patient to patient, but perhaps you've had experience and you've handled such cases before. Do you foresee him being admitted for a while, or how are you treating this? At
least maybe 48 to 72 hours minimum, yeah. So, you know, for us, we always play on the safe side. You don't want to rush and make a mistake. You want to make sure that when you are done, you have done, and you know sure that somebody is safe. Yeah.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you.
Yeah. Sorry, we kept you waiting because we were busy inside there. But I'm glad to meet you.
So, are we likely to see them coming out shortly? Now that they are in a stable condition,
No, I said I think we have to keep him at least 48, 72 hours to make sure that he is safe. Yeah.